Hello, welcome to Edubbey Dynamic Solution Platform. Let us look at Decentralized Finance, DeFi transforming finance through blockchain technology. 1. Introduction to DeFi. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, represents a revolutionary shift in the traditional financial landscape. It leverages blockchain technology to create an open and inclusive financial system that operates without traditional intermediaries like banks. DeFi platforms are built on blockchain networks, primarily Ethereum, and offer a range of financial services in a permissionless and transparent manner. 2. Core principles of DeFi. Openness and accessibility. DeFi protocols are open source, providing equal access to financial services for anyone with an internet connection. Interoperability. DeFi platforms often collaborate and integrate with each other, fostering interoperability and creating a seamless financial ecosystem. Transparency. All transactions on the blockchain are visible, ensuring transparency and accountability in financial operations. 3. Key DeFi components. Decentralized exchanges, DEX platforms like Uniswap and SushiSwap allow users to trade cryptocurrencies without relying on centralized exchanges. Decentralized lending and borrowing. Protocols such as Aave and Compound enable users to lend or borrow digital assets directly from other users without intermediaries. Stablecoins, cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of traditional fiat currencies, like DAI and USDC, provide stability and act as a bridge between traditional and decentralized finance. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Users can earn rewards by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols through yield farming and liquidity mining mechanisms. 4. Risks and challenges. Smart contract risks. Vulnerabilities in smart contracts can lead to security breaches and financial losses. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape for DeFi is evolving, posing challenges for compliance and legal clarity. Market volatility. DeFi platforms are often influenced by the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. 5. Innovations in DeFi. Automated market makers, AMMs. These algorithms replace traditional order books in decentralized exchanges, enabling more efficient and automated trading. Flash loans, instant and uncollateralized loans that have facilitated complex trading strategies and arbitrage opportunities. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, community-driven organizations that make decisions through governance tokens, providing users with a say in the platform's development. 6. Future of DeFi. Scalability solutions. Projects are exploring Layer 2 solutions and other scaling technologies to address the scalability issues associated with DeFi platforms. Integration with traditional finance. Bridging the gap between traditional and decentralized finance through regulated interfaces and compliant solutions. Evolving governance models. Continued experimentation with decentralized governance models to enhance community participation and decision-making. 7. Conclusion. DeFi has the potential to redefine the global financial system, offering financial services that are accessible, efficient, and inclusive. As the space continues to mature, addressing challenges and embracing innovation will be crucial for the sustained growth and adoption of decentralized finance.